exercise 16th one. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet and the and the length is twice the width. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? See, they given in the figure. The volleyball court is in the rectangular shape. So you want to find out they given for you perimeter of a rectangle 177 feet. Okay, now you want to know length and breadth. You want to find out the dimensions, means length and breadth. Perimeter of a rectangular court of volleyball. And that is 177 feet. Okay, now perimeter. Put the perimeter formula 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 177 feet. Okay, now they given for you the length. See, length is twice the width. Length is twice the width అన్నాడండి. అంటే లెంత్ కన్నా విడ్త్ కన్నా లెంత్ అనేది ట్వైస్ అంటే డబుల్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే విడ్త్ అంటే బ్రెడ్త్ అన్న ఒకటే కదా. సో విడ్త్ ఆర్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు x తీసుకుంటానా అండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద లెంత్ 2x. అదే కదండి, లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్వైస్ ఆఫ్ విడ్త్ అన్నాడు. విడ్త్ ని x తీసుకున్నాను. సో లెంత్ ఏమవుతుందండి 2x లైక్ దట్. సో లెంత్ ఈస్ length equal to 2x breadth equal to x. So I have the formula equation. I am substituting these two values in the equation. 2 into L plus B equal to 177 feet. Okay, now so 2 into what the L? 2x plus x equal to 177 feet. I go into that side. It will become 2 into 3x, that equal to 177 feet. See, 6x equal to 177 feet. So x equal to 177 feet by 6. What the value? 6 3s are 18. So 6 2s 12. Remainder will be 5. 57. So 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54. 6 10 are 60. 6 9 are 54. 54 means what the remainder? 3. Put the point. 3 will become 30. 6 out. 30 ఎక్కడ పోతుందండి? 6 5 are 30. 6 5 30 feet. అంటే 29.5 feet. ఏదండి ఇది? x అంటే ఏమని చెప్పానండి ఆల్రెడీ? వాట్ ద x అంటే ఏమని చెప్పాను? ద డయాగ్రామ్ x అంటే ఏమని చెప్పారండి? బ్రెడ్త్ కదా. బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు x, that equal to 29.5 feet. What is the length? Length equal to 2x, that equal to 2 into 29.5. What the value? 29 2s 4 58.5 is that equal to 59. That equal to 59 feet. Okay, now that is the length and breadth dimensions. Find out the dimensions means you want to find out the length and breadth. See the 17th one. Sum of the page numbers of the facing page of a book is 373. What are the page numbers? They given the hint. Hint ఏమని ఇచ్చారండి? ఇక్కడ మన దగ్గర ఒక బుక్ ఉందండి. I have one book. ఈ బుక్ అనుకున్నాను. I have one book. They given the diagram ఇక్కడ మీకు ఫిగర్ ఇచ్చాడండి. ఆ బుక్ లో ఫస్ట్ పేజీకి దీన్ని x అనుకుంటాం, దీన్ని x+1 మీన్స్ అంత బిగ్ నెంబర్ వద్దండి. ఏదో 9 తీసుకున్నాం. 9 తీసుకుందామండి. 9 తీసుకుంటే అంటే ఈ పేజీ ఆ పేజ్లో ఓపెన్ ఉంటే x ఏమవుతుందండి 4, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ ఏమవుతుందండి 5, 4 + 5 9. ఒకవేళ 7 తీసుకుందాం. 7 తీసుకుంటే కన్నా ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఏమవుతుందండి ఈ పేజీ ఇది x అంట, దిస్ ఇస్ ద x. See the 17th one. I have a book. In that one page has opened. In that page, this one is x, this one is x+1 page. Okay na? ఈ 2 ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 373. ఓకే నా? లైక్ దట్ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఈ 2 ని యాడ్ చేసి ఈ పేజ్ వచ్చేసి ఈ సమ్ చేస్తే కన్నా నాకు 9 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇది 4 అయితే ఇది 5 పేజ్, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ కదా ఇది 4 అయితే ఇది 5. అట్లే ఐ హావ్ ద పేజ్ ఈ టోటల్ కలిపి 7 ఉందనుకున్నాను. ఇది థర్డ్ పేజ్ అవుతుంది, ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఫోర్త్ పేజ్. లైక్ దట్ ఐ హావ్ ద దిస్ 2 సమ్ వచ్చేసి ఎంత అంటే 373. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద పేజ్ నంబర్స్. ఇది ఎంత పేజ్, ఇది ఎన్నో పేజ్లో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సి సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పేజ్ నంబర్స్. ఓకేనా? లెట్ x and x+1 are the facing pages in a book. Okay, in a book. So sum of the facing page in a book, the given ఇచ్చాడండి the value. ఓకేనా? ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయండి x + x+1. ఈ 2 పేజెస్ కలిపితే కదా ఎంత అంటే 373 వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? 373 that equal to 2x + 1 equal to 373. Okay, now that equal to, by going to 1 is there in the LHS side, by going to RHS it will become minus. So 373 minus 1 that equal to 372 2x. Okay, now I want the x value. So x equal to 372 by 2. So what is the value? 2 ones, 8 is 16, 2 6 are. X equal to 160, 186. అంటే ఆ బుక్ లో ఆ పేజ్ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఎంతో పేజ్ అండి 186 పేజ్. నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ ఏమవుతుందండి 170, 187th పేజ్. ఓకేనా? x+1 equal to 186 + 1 that equal to 187. అంటే మనం ఓపెన్ చేసిన పేజ్ ఒకటి 186 అయితే నెక్స్ట్ ఉండే పేజ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే 187. ద గివెన్ ఫర్ x x+1. See the 2.3 exercise. 2.3 exercise. Solve the following equations. They given for you the equations. You want to find out the variables. See the first question, 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. You want to find out the x value. Seven x minus 5 equal to 2x. Okay now. Next one. See the third one. 7p minus 3 equal to, you want to do second one, 3p plus 8. Okay now. I want, see, in RHS x variable is there. By coming to this side, by coming to LHS, it will become minus 2x. So 7x minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న RHS side ఉన్న 2x ని side తీసుకొని వచ్చేస్తాను. So what the values? 5x minus 5 equal to 0. 5x equal to minus 5 by going to that side plus 5. So x equal to 5 by 5. X equal to 1. See, in LHS I have the 5 doing the multiplication. By going to RHS, it will become division. So x equal to 1. See the second one. By coming to 3p, this side, minus 3p. Minus 3 is there. By going to RHS side, it will become plus. So variables and one side, constant values and one side. Easily go. 7p minus 3p is equal to 8 plus 3. What the value? 4p is equal to 12, 8, 9, 10, 11. So p equal to 11 by 4. Any cancellation? No cancellation. Let the points spread enemy, no problem. Like that, do the second one and fourth one and also fifth one. See the seventh one. See the seventh one. See here, first you want to do the brackets. Okay now, Modomas 3x plus 4 equal to, your bracket is there. By going to inside, it will multiply in both terms. Any terms and any terms దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. So 5 into x, 5x plus into minus, 5 2s are 10. Okay now. By coming to this side, LHS values, you want to send in RHS. Okay, now 3x, by coming to RHS, it will become minus 3x. Plus 4 is there in LHS side. By coming to RHS, it will become minus 4. So 0 equal to 5x minus 10 minus 3x minus 4. So 5x minus 3x. 2x, what the value? Minus 10 minus 14, 0. See, minus 14. By coming to this side, plus 14. Plus 14 equal to 2x. I want the x value. So x equal to 14 by 2. What the value? 7 equal to x. What the x value? 7. X equal to 7. X equal to 7 and 7 is equal to x and the same only. Okay. See the next value. By going to inside, it will product. So 3t minus 9 that equal to 10t minus 5. So by going to that side, t minus 5 coming to this side, minus 9 plus 5 equal to 10t minus 3t. Okay na? t nani ante variables unnedanta one side, constant values anta one side తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. So minus 4 is equal to 7t minus 4 by 7 equal to t. t equal to ఇలా రాయొచ్చు minus 4 by 7. ఏదైనా కరెక్ట్ అండి. ఓకేనా? t equal to minus 4 by 7. Like that you want to do. See the ninth one, do yourself. Ninth one and 10th one. Okay na? See the 11th one. See the 11th one. Brackets is there. Do the brackets first of all. That is 15x minus 15. Okay, now plus 4x plus 12. That equal to 14 plus 2x. Okay now, see, x variables to LHS, constant values goes to RHS. See, 15 into 15 plus 4x, 19x. By doing the subtraction, minus 3 equal to 14 plus 2x. By coming to this side, 19x minus 2x, that equal to 14 minus 3. By going to that side, RHS, it will become plus. So 17. It will become 17x. So x equal to 17 by 17, that equal to 1. X equal to 1. Like that, you want to find out the next one, that is 12th one. 12th one, do yourself. See the 13th one. See the 13th one. By going to inside 8 value, okay now, Bodo mass 8 into x, 8x minus 8 is 24. Next minus, nothing is there. In outside there is no number, so minus into plus minus 6. Next minus into minus plus 2x equal to 2 into x 2x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5 into 5 25 minus into minus plus 5 into x 5x. Like that. See, 8x and 2x is there, so 10x. See, 24 minus 6 minus 24 minus 26 minus 24 minus 6, it will become minus 30, that equal to 7x. These two values minus 21 only 25. 25 minus 4 21, big value have minus. So by coming to LHS side 7x, it will become minus. By going to RHS 30, it will become plus 30. So 10x minus 7x equal to minus 21 plus 30. So the value is 3x equal to, or the value 9 plus 9. So x equal to 9 by 3, that equal to 3. For the x value 3. See the last one, 14th one. See the 14th one. Fourteenth one. 3 into n minus 4. Put in the brackets. Bracket inside like one picture say. So 3n. 3n minus 12 plus 4 2s are 8. 8n minus 10. That equal to 5n. 5n plus 10 plus 16. Okay now. See, n plus n. 3 plus 8, 11. 11n minus into minus plus. You want to add minus 22 equal to 5n plus 26. In LHS side, I have the 5n. By coming to, sorry, in RHS side, I have the 5n. By coming to LHS, it will become minus 5n. Minus 22 is there in LHS side. By going to RHS, it will become plus 22. So 11n minus 5n equal to 26 plus 22. For the value 6n equal to 48. Okay, now 6n equal to 48. N is equal to 48 by 6. 6 1 6 8s. So what the n value? N is equal to 8. Like that you want to find out.